You know, for all of you, just like I said of you, both of you, Christy Mix, Paulo Cruzada, please, both of you, I do not spread the terrorism. You know, like I said before, when Jerick Silva says to me, about the issue of Paulo Cruzada, he was escaped from the mental hospital. You know, Paulo Cruzada, here's my video to you. That ISIS anyway was already defeated. I say again, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Paulo Cruzada, oh, Christy Mix. I say to all of you, the ISIS had been already defeated in the Philippines. Why? Thanks to Rodrigo Duterte, during the time of the Marawi siege, he killed all the ISIS leader. He brutal all the ISIS leader when he shot them by sniper. Oh, why he shot all the ISIS? He killed ISIS by a sniper fire. Just like I watched in the movie in Mosul, in the Battle of Mosul. That was the movie of the Iraqi and American film in Netflix, and I played that in Medal of Honor Warfighter. Do you remember Preacher and Mother, who were U.S. Navy SEALs, with the help with the Philippine Navy NAVSOG name who's that? Tiger 12. Oh, who were rescued the hostages, who were kidnapped and enslaved and hostage by Abu Sayyaf, even the ISIS, even Maute. Oh, during the time they killed Itzilon Apilon. Oh, they killed Omar Maute. Oh, with the help of the Philippine Navy NAVSOG and the U.S. Navy SEALs, or the U.S. Special Operation Forces. Oh, at least the ISIS had been already defeated. You know that Rodrigo Duterte, he helped uh, former U.S. President Donald Trump, the former president of the Philippines, Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, he helped from the former U.S. President Donald Trump. As you can see, Donald Trump defeated the ISIS in the Philippines way back in 2017 of Marawi siege. Just remember, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, and Christy Mix. Do not bash, do not bully everybody in social media about, do not threaten anyone to create terrorism. You know, ISIS in the Philippines were already defeated. Like I say again, Paulo Cruzada, oh, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, even G. Macasandil, do all of you want to be happen to the Bondi gunmen who killed the um, Australian Jews who were non-Israelis? Oh, do you want to be really happen to them? I was told by J. Rick, I don't want to be happen in the Bondi Beach. Oh, remember, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, and G. Macasandil. There is no ISIS in the Philippines. Wala na pong ISIS. There's no longer ISIS in the Philippines. Like I said before, look at in Iraq, look at in Syria. During the time of Ayatollah Sistani and Bashar al-Assad, in that government before that. They defeated ISIS. Oh, why they defeated ISIS? They defeated ISIS. They killed ISIS. Oh, you see in Afghanistan, no, Taliban na defeated ISIS. Oh, in Afghanistan, in Taliban, there's no longer ISIS in the Taliban in Afghanistan. No, there's no longer ISIS. Oh, remember Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, G. Macasandil. In the lesson of from Teacher May, oh, in current events, oh, the time of Rodrigo Duterte. Rodrigo Duterte, he helped from the U.S. President Donald Trump to defeat ISIS in the Philippines. Why Rodrigo Duterte he defeated ISIS? Oh, he liberate Marawi, cakes to the Philippine Armed Forces with the help of the U.S. Special Operation Forces. Oh, they defeated ISIS. Oh, he defeated ISIS. The Marawi had liberated from the ISIS. Oh, as so the evacuees have returned to their home places where even ground zero, and he rehabilitate the houses of Marawi from the ground zero. What's really happened in the 2017 of the following of the 2017 Marawi siege. So 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 for all of you over the last year, or for all of you for over the last year, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, and Jima Casandil, all of you, for almost 2 years. Please, all of you, do not spread the terrorism. Even you, Christy Mix. You know, like for everyone getting disturbed. For all of you, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, G. Macasandil, and Christy Mix. Please, all of you, do not spread the terrorism. You know, I'm not promoting terrorism by the time, we discussed that with Jerick Silva about, during the time of, I was in the class with Teacher May, about the end of Marawi siege. Oh, the ISIS had been already defeated. Oh, Paulo Cruzada, what you gonna say to yourself? Oh, because your mother told Shadaya Kiana you're a special child. There's no excuses to be a special child like you. Jerick Silva claims, he said it to me, meron kasing terorista ng special child, it's not really good to promote ISIS. Remember, Paulo Cruzada, we have an anti-terror law during the time of Rodrigo Duterte. After he abolished the the time of Ferdinand Marcos Sr., that presidential decree 1727, or anti-bomb joke law, during the time of Ferdinand Marcos Sr., in the martial law times. But in the time of Rodrigo Duterte, he revised that called anti-terror law, or anti-terror law, or anti-terror law 2020 act. That's a word. So for me, Paulo Cruzada, when you think you are spreading terrorism, or when you think you're spreading bomb joke, or even those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos who want to join with Paulo Cruzada and Gina Sedjo and Jeffrey Asedio and Gima Casadil and even Christy Mix, who were who were successor of Itzilon Hapilon and Omar Maute. They were killed by who were killed by during the time of Rodrigo Duterte administration and the Philippine Armed Forces with the cooperate with the U.S. Special Operation Forces during the time of Donald Trump. Remember, do not attack anybody. Do not promote terrorism in the Philippines. Philippines, we are free from terrorism. There is no terrorism incident in the Philippines, Paulo Cruzada. If you say that in the airport, or if you say that in the public, what's the problem? You are communicating to anybody to attack anybody. Gusto mo kasi may gulo, you know what really happened. People are angry at you. Not even just that, like I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, you told the Marcos loyalist wannabe who were fake Filipinos to join ISIS, including Christy Mix, even Gina Sedjo, Jeffrey Asedio, and Gima Casandil for creating a terrorist attack in the Philippines. You know, Paulo Cruzada, in our country, Philippines, there is no longer terrorism in the Philippines. Thanks to Rodrigo Duterte. He defeated all the terrorist groups who were ISIS in the Philippines. For me, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sedjo, Jeffrey Asedio, Gima Casandil, and Christy Mix, remember, ISIS are anti-Christ. They are Shia Muslims who didn't learn about teachings. That's not teachings from Islam. That's not teachings from Judaism and Christianity. That's not the teachings. You are disturbing to anybody. You're disturbing anyone. You see what happened. Like I said before, nagalit si Joseph Maspinas when he say it. Joseph Maspinas when he was very angry. Even he said, yang si Paulo Cruzada, puro lang terorismo. Everyone are angry at you. Even that uncle of Joseph Maspinas had spreaded the checkpoint, like the armed force. Like I said before, like the armed forces of the Philippines, or even the Philippine National Police, they spread the checkpoint in Davao City. Whether if you make a bomb joke there, Paulo Cruzada, you will be arrested. Remember, when I was told by David Gill, even that his father, Mr. Dennis Gill, terrorism is not really knowledge. It's a cause of panic. I'm not promoting terrorism, Paulo Cruzada, because you should learn your consequence.